Hey gearheads, welcome back to BZB TV. This is Nate back here from the support team bringing you another video, and today we're going to be doing another deep dive on one of our brand new products. This is our 8K fiber extender, the BG-EXH-8KF. F is for fiber. We're really excited to talk about this and show you how easy it is to connect it over a long fiber cable. As you can see, we have it already set up, and yeah, you can extend 8K. You can do up to 8K at 60 or even 4K at 120 hertz. Supports both. So for you gamers looking for that high refresh rate, we got you covered. So if you're looking for a clean setup or looking to extend your signal source across a long distance, actually this one could do up to 300 meters using a single octet fiber cable. So if you're looking to extend your 8K source or your 4K 120 source like a PS5 Pro or any other sources or units that support that up to 300 meters, this unit will do it. So let's go ahead and dive in, go over our setup and get to this point. All right, first we have, obviously we have our transmitter and receiver. So transmitter, let's go ahead and power it on, and transmitter is for your source. So you plug your source into the input. There's actually an output on the back here. So if you have a local monitor, you could plug that in for it's kind of like a loop out where you can see your display on the local side, on the transmitter side. So I'm gonna go ahead and power this one up. And then we have our PS5 Pro plugged in, HDMI in. While that's powering up, I'm gonna go ahead and power up our receiver. Obviously, these aren't gonna be this close to each other. We're just using a little single mode fiber optic patch cable here. Like I mentioned, it could go up to 300 meters if you use an OM4 fiber optic cable. So power up the receiver. The receiver goes to your display. So I'm just gonna do an HDMI out to our TV here, our Samsung 8K TV. And this, what's cool about this unit is it actually has two HDMI outs. So if you're looking to do like a one transmitter to dual displays, this unit will do it. All right, so I got it powered on. I got the HDMIs going in and out. Now let's go ahead and connect. What's great about these units also is you don't have to have a fiber module. It's actually built in, so you just need the cable. So you don't need an extra module. So I'm just gonna take this single optic patch cable here. Click. Clean it up just a little bit. And click. So yeah, as you can see on the front here, there's an in. So I got green light for in, so that means the source is coming in, and then you got the link light. That means that this is linking the transmitter receiver. Now you can see the TV's already reacting to it. So I got a link light, which is not, if it's not blinking, that's good. You want a solid green light, and then the output, and there you go. We have the PS5 hooked up. So it's turning on. Let the TV think a little bit. Game mode is a great feature on this TV. So let's go ahead and here we are. One thing I always like to check with the PS5 Pro, since it supports the 8K, I always check my screen and video that 8K is turned on. Allow 8K has a little option there, so any 8K games that support that, once the game starts, it'll activate the 8K. All right, let's go ahead and start our game. Well, Gran Turismo 7. I know this supports 8K, and boom, 8K at 60. Here we go. Oh, another thing I want to do. I want to add some audio. Like I mentioned, this unit actually has audio extraction, so you can extract the audio over 3.5 into a local AV receiver. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I just have a 3.5 to an RCA cable because that works with our AV receiver. So I'm just going to go ahead and plug it in the back here, just where it says AV audio out. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it into our receiver here. And right away, I had it right on the channel. Got some sound. A lot better than the TV sound. So let's go to our world map. Let's do a Ferrari challenge. Here we go. Let's go. Yeah, so. Coming through, here we go. Got good sound. And I found the wall. Use these guys as a bumper. Thank you. And there you go. I'm really good at this. Well, there you have it, gearheads. Another simple setup, a deep dive on how easy it is to set up your 8K fiber extender or 4K at 120. This is, like I mentioned before, this is a great setup if you have your gaming system or 8K source in sort of AV rack or AV room behind closed doors, but you're looking to extend that, but also you can reach with like a wireless controller. It's just great for a clean setup. So if you have any questions, as always, leave them in the comments below or during your setup. You can always hit us at support. Love to help you get over any speed bumps that you might be having, or if you want to have any questions on how this would be a great fit for your environment, or how this would be a great solution for any issues that you're looking to overcome, or give anyone of our sales associates a call, a ring. They'll love to talk to you about how this would be a perfect fit for a solution that you're looking for. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to videos like these so you'll be notified when more videos like these come out. And as always, don't forget, have a great day.